another video. If you're new, you know what to do. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with all your friends, your family. And today is Vlogmas day 5. So yeah guys, I'm getting used to posting, filming and editing in one day. So this is gonna be a good video. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how the watercolors that I bought look. So if you watch the other video, then you're gonna at least know what I'm doing in this video, because I'm testing out how the watercolors look and if they're good quality, so I can recommend them properly with the right, facts and everything. So yeah, I am going to be using my back camera to show you guys the process and everything. I hope you don't mind. This is the last time seeing me, so yeah, you better look closely. I'm just kidding. But yeah guys, so yeah, I hope you tune into this video. Please watch the video at least halfway through and make a judgment then. But for most of you guys, I know you guys try and watch as much of the video as you can. But yeah, I just recommend again that you guys watch half of the video or all of the video, because it's gonna be pretty short. And yeah, it's just like 10 to like 15 minutes out of your day, out of like probably a 12-hour day. So yeah, I hope you guys don't mind my voice, because I'm like a little bit sick right now. And yeah, let's get into this video. the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed, please give it a big thumbs up. And the watercolors are really good quality. They blend very easily, and when it's dry it looks so good, guys. I didn't think I was gonna do this, but it looks pretty good. And the blue, all the colors are very pigmented. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Love you guys so much. Peace.